Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and this video we will be looking at AITECH. The market has been crashing down lately, so this is obviously a bad time, but it's also a good time for us to re-evaluate our own investment portfolio, as well as identify and DCA to some of the more potential projects. And I think AITECH is one of those projects that has huge upside potential in this next bull run. And so this video, I will be doing a quick review of AITECH, looking at its ecosystem, as well as showing you my favorite products from AITECH. And then lastly, we will be looking at the AITECH token price prediction for 2025 and 2026. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Ninjas and use all of our referral links for 20% off of the trading fees for life across all exchanges. Thank you very much. So first of all, what is AITECH? Well, AITECH full name is Solidus AITECH. They are a tech company operating at the intersection of blockchain and artificial intelligence, or AI. They've been building out the infrastructure to support AI development as well as AI deployment, focusing on accessibility as well as decentralization. Now, the company Solidus AITECH has been, I believe, established back in late 2017. Back then, it was founded by, the founder, the CEO, Paul Farhi, as well as his co-founder, Adrian, but it was an Ethereum mining company, right? But when in 2020s, I believe, when Ethereum announced that they will be moving on from proof of work to proof of stake, then AITECH has to also evolve with that, right? So the company strategically pivoted its focus towards developing high performance computing, or HPC, data centers, as well as a wide arrays of products to again support AI evolution to meet the growing demands for AI and blockchain services as well. Now, I will be showing you my top 3 favorite products that I believe will capture your interest the most. The first one is going to be the data centers, the main focus. As I said before, Solidus AITECH is building an HPC data centers, or a high performance computing data centers, and this is in Europe, Romania, I believe specifically. This is an 8,000 square feet eco-friendly data centers as well, so it's massive, right? This is equipped with the top of the market hardwares, which is optimized for compute heavy AI tasks, and is already offering services like AI as a service, or blockchain as a service and infrastructure as a service. Basically, with the rise of AI, the industry is in desperate needs of infrastructure to process billions and billions of data calls. If you look at ChatGPT, basically they are being overloaded with requests from the people, requesting that Ghibli studio picks, right? And so Sam had to say like, hey, we need to just dial it down, you know what I mean? Like, we have to have a limit on the people. So we are obviously in need of the infrastructures like this, right? So the AITECH data centers is just exactly what the industry needs, and I think after it is up and running fully, it's gonna capture a lot of attention, not just from businesses like ChatGPT, but also from governments. The US, they also want to build like their own data centers, right? And then also from the small builders as well, because this data centers is not limited to governments or enterprises. It's also for AI developers, basically to run powerful AI models or blockchain operations, obviously with optimal cost and maximum efficiency. It's energy efficient because it's again eco-friendly, right? And it's very enterprise ready as well. If you look at some of the footage that I'm showing on the screen, you will see that they are top notch, right? And it is basically a key part of AITECH's long-term utility. The next product is the AITECH Launchpad. This is another people's favorite. So this is a platform where basically early stage AI and Web3 projects can raise funds, right? A launchpad, and gain visibility. AITECH shifted focus to launching AI projects only. And for the projects that are launching their products on AITECH Launchpad, AITECH offers deep support regarding development as well as marketing. They're going to be doing AMAs, they're going to be posting them on social medias or whatnot, gaining again exposing them to the public, gaining more visibility to the projects. And for the investors like you and I who participate in these launches, we're going to be obviously early on cutting edge AI projects that are vetted by a legit team from AITECH team that understands both blockchain and also machine learning. Also, if you participate in these launches, you're also eligible for a new event or initiative from AITECH team, and that is called the Initial Token Airdrop, or the ITA. Now, there has been numerous initial token airdrops worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, okay? But this one right here is worth $20,000. So if you just join this event, launching it on the IDO, and you're gonna get it. So very simple, very straightforward, very community driven. If you want to participate in any of these launches, it's very simple. Just click on sign in, create an account, and just get your AITECH token ready. You know, it cannot get easier than that. Next product of AITECH, you know, the hottest, the latest product that I think you guys are gonna love it, because it's gonna be really disruptive to the AI market and AI narrative in general. I've never seen anything like this. It's crazy. It's called Agent Forge. Now, this is the post pinned by AITECH, right? Just go to it and go to this link and register an account using your email. Very simple. You get a $65 free in credits as a first-time user. All right, because if you want to use the Agent Force, you need money. All right, obviously for the data coins and whatnot. But I'm gonna cover how that works in a little bit. So Agent Force is probably AITECH's the first ever no-code platform that's really disruptive. Right, allows anyone to build and deploy custom AI agents. It's all about AI agents in 2025 and 2026. Right? Everybody's been talking about it. Trump, Sam Altman, even and Facebook has been talking about it like crazy. It's so helpful for not just traders, but for everyday users as well, right? So the fact that AITECH has this product that allow us to create our own customized AI agents is crazy, all right? And for a little bit of money as well. As you can see, like I spent like 34 cents, all right, trying some of the agent calls today, right? So that's crazy. Now you can set whatever it is that you want, like whether it's if you want a chat bot, if you want like a portfolio tracking bot, like crypto portfolio tracking bot, if you want like a trading bot, whatever it is that you want, you can create it on Agent Forge. All right, you can set its capabilities as from trusted sources like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, whatever, right? And integrate your own data into the AI agent or Agent Forge. The final outcome is your personal AI agent that requires no coding experience, right? It's just drag and build, all right? Just that. Like you can click on the agent's sequencer, all right? And you can click on create workflow. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, do you see how easy it is? Like you could just, first of all, pick the API, right? API call. Then you could just pick your model from ChatGPT, DeepSeek. They have top-notch, like the latest model updated, like Claude or Gemini as well. And then you can just put in your prompt, what you wanted to do, and then you can search the agent, like what is this agent gonna do? Is it a vision agent, which is like a chatbot? Is it like a portfolio analyzer? Is it like a video agent or a YouTube agent where you just post YouTube links and it can analyze a video view for you? Crazy, right? And then here's the output. Like it's just track. Look at that. It's just track and play. It cannot get any simpler than that. Look at that. Boom, right? Drag it to the output. Boom. Look at that. And then everything is connected, and then you can create your own agents just like that. And so like if you're a builder, just go ahead and check this out. It's going to be game changing. And finally, we're approaching the last part of this video, which will be looking at the AITECH token price for 2025 and 2026. So right now, the Solidus AITECH token is sitting at about 2 cents with a market cap of about $30 million, FDV, fully diluted valuation at about $40.5 million. Right now, I mean, look at that, right? There has been a lot of selling pressure from the token holders. I think it's more because of the market sentiment. I mean, the tariff wars from Trump, also the Fed's the interest is not doing too well, but mostly from a tariffs war, right? So at the end of 2025, I think if Trump is just gonna be chill about the tariffs war, not really raising tariffs against the EU, China, or Canada at all, like if they're gonna be chill with that, I think the market can breathe a little bit and maybe have a little bit of a recovery. And so the AITECH token at that time, at the end of 2025, can go up to as high as about 0.07. Okay, so this is going to be the first range that I think AITECH token can reach next. And then in 2026, if the market is better, now that is a big if, now we don't know, right? I'm not a fortune teller, but if the market is better, I think that the AITECH token can even reach 13 to 15 cents, okay, going back to the previous heights. That is really possible, okay? Now, if you want to DCA into AITECH, this is really the good time to do it, because I mean, again, the selling pressure is really big, but it has been, you know, dying down a little bit. That means less and less people are selling, right? The RSI of AITECH in the 1-day chart really approached 30, so that's really low, 30 and below, right? So if you want to buy AITECH token, I would suggest you to check out this range right here at around, you know, 1.5 cent to about 2 cents. Okay, that is, I think, going to be a good buy range to DCA. All right, and just wait for the good things to come at the end of 2025. And that's a wrap about Solidus AITECH. I hope that you liked the video so far. If you do, like and comment down below what you think about AITECH price as well as its ecosystem. Okay, subscribe to Crypto Ninjas and use our referral links for 20% off of all the trading fees across all the exchange. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one. Daily out.